ทำไมเรานอนท่านี้นอนเป็นไส้กรอกเลย
Admit it, we all want to tease cuties like him forever. Please, Mom, why can't you make the bed after waking up? It's easy. These babies have definitely just put a smile on your face, haven't they? I wish I were there to touch that gorgeous puffy fur.
Пасик, уйди с кровати.
In 1,000 ways to choose, he must walk this way. Why, dude? If God sends this world a gift annually, Munchkin is surely one. What should I do with these things? Are they like sandbags?
Пупочка! Пупочка! Да.
Even when he's trying to show off, boy looks super cute. Kittens have the power to make us happy in a way we don't even expect. Everyone loves a tight hug, so why not? Let's give each other one per day. Well, they might not cope well with technology. These munchkins must have stolen this innocent from some angels.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Everyone has a story buried in their heart. Although they're pretty senseless, that's what makes them so attractive. Let this beautiful sound massage your ears. Definitely worth it, I swear. Don't look at me that way, lady. It will make me fall in love. I would love to watch a movie about these boys' adventures. Like owner, like cat. Shouldn't let him watch too much. Every cat loves being pet, and this munchkin isn't an exception. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.